the second class. And in the post-harvest management, as I told you, that it is two portion divided into two portion. First portion is the post-harvest management, and the second portion is the value addition. In value addition, you will learn about how we can process the products. So first of all, we should know about the definition of the post-harvest management. And in previous class, I already told you that if you will break the definition in some parts, then you can easily remember it in your examination. So you can see here that it is a branch of science. Which science? Agriculture science. And it deals with all the operations right from harvesting, even the pre-harvest stage. What is the pre-harvest stage? I will tell you in the later phase. Till the commodity reach the consumer, even in fresh, processed form, or utilization of the waste in a profitable manner. And in previous class, I told you that there are two technical words. One is the post-harvest management and another is the post-harvest technology. If we are talking about the post-harvest technology, then we have to include this definition up to here. But if we are talking about the post-harvest management, then we have to include the profit word also. Because if we are using any technique which is profitable for us or for the farmer or for any industrialist, then it will be the better post-harvest management. So we have to use the profitable word in the post-harvest management. Now, अगर आप साधारण शब्दों में इसको देखेंगे तो यूँ कह सकते हैं कि जो पशु कटाई प्रबंधन है वो एक ऐसी विज्ञान या कृषि विज्ञान की एक शाखा है जिसमें फलों की तुड़ाई से लेके फल जब तक किसान के जो कंज्यूमर है, जो खाने वाला है या जो उपभोक्ता है, उसके पास में पहुंच जाता है, किस फॉर्म के अंदर, या तो ताजे रूप में या उसके उत्पाद के रूप में या उसका जो वेस्ट मटेरियल है उसके उत्पाद में वो पहुंच जाता है और उससे उसको लाभ होता है, तो वो कहलाता है पशु कटाई प्रबंधन. सो हियर you can see that the operations right from harvesting to the commodity reach to the consumer. This is the actual definition. There are only two lines. So, and in this one you can see that I use here the utilization of the waste. आप सब जानते हैं what is fresh, जो भी अपन ने फल तोड़ा वो जो ताज़ा फल है that is the fresh product. अगर अपन ने उसका कोई उत्पाद बना लिया, स्पेस बनाया, टोमेटो केचप बनाया या सॉस बनाया, दैट इज द प्रोडक्ट, प्रोसेस प्रोडक्ट. बट व्हाट इज द वेस्ट, यूटिलाइजेशन ऑफ द वेस्ट. व्हाट इज वेस्ट? सो हियर यू कैन सी दैट व्हाट इज वेस्ट. इन वेस्ट, these are the some of the waste material. From mango, we can prepare the mango paste. But what is the use of mango stone? गुठली का क्या use है? That mango stone can be used in the nursery for growing of the plant. As well, that stone can also be used as a protein content because the mango kernel contains 9.2% protein. So, by preparing the such type of powder, we can also use the protein content on this one.